Hello and welcome back to Dado Media. Today I'm going to show you the 7 essential command line tools for Linux only few people knows about. Are you very curious to know about them? So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe and to hit that little bell so that you get all information about the updates of Linux and other information on this channel. To get started without taking much time, let's go to terminal. Alright, the first command is this one, who am I? Who am I is the command which prints the username and the associated information with the current user. So let me demo this on my computer. Currently I'm using this Ubuntu 19.04. So who am I works like this. Let me simply type who am I. Alright, you can see that the username is Daniel. Even here you can see the Daniel as the user of this computer. So always, as on Linux, you can get more information about the command. So you can do that by simply typing the command like who am I -- help. Great. You can see that prints the username associated with the current effective user ID. Alright, let's move on to the next command. The next command that I'm going to show you is hostname. Hostname displays the system's name and other functionalities associated with the hostname. Simply, as you can guess, host simply means the computer that you are working on. And this says hostname, that's the name of the host. So simply type hostname. Hostname. You can see that this is Dado Media, as actually this is the name of my channel. Alright, so you can see that it is the user Daniel on Dado Media host. So as always, you can get more information about how hostname is used by simply typing hostname / help. Alright, I hope you can have a deep reading of these options and whatever. Okay, let's move on to the next command. The next command that I'm going to show you in these 7 essential command line tools for Linux is date. This date, as you can see, displays the current date. You can see this is Friday 6th March 2020, and this is the time PM. Of course, this is the time zone, CAT, Central African Time. Alright, as always, you can get more information about date by simply typing date / help. Alright, but this information is too big to fit on the screen. You can use less utility by simply typing to less. Alright, here you can get the information page by page. To move on to the next page, you simply type space. Alright, I think here you can have more and deep information about the usage of date, as date can be used also to reset time, whatever. Alright, to get out of this less, you simply type Q. Alright, now let's move on to the next command. This is uname. This is uname displays the information about the system and what it's doing. Okay, simply type uname. Alright, this computer is Linux. Okay, I'm currently running this Linux Ubuntu. It simply prints the kernel because Ubuntu is a distribution of Linux. This Linux is a kernel, right? As always, you can get more information about uname, help. Great. For example, let me use this -a to print all information. You can simply type uname /a. You can see many information about it. Linux, Dado Media, the hosts, and more information about it, even the distribution. Alright, Let's move on to the next command, and this is the 5th command. The next command is called passwd, and this is it. Passwd, as you can see, is used to change the current user's password. When you type it, as I did on the screen, you can see that it prompts me to set the new password for the user. First, it asks you for the current password. Here I may type my password. Alright, and here I can reset my password, but I don't want to do that. For education purposes, let me try to reset this password. Okay, retype it. Alright, you can see that passwd, password updated successfully. Alright, as always, you can get more information about it by simply doing that same thing, help. Alright, you can see to delete the password for the name account, force expire the password for the named account. This is the utility that we used, and more. I hope you can read more about it. Alright, let me clear. Now let's move on to the 6th command, and this is called touch command. Alright, touch command is used to create an empty file. Let me do this. For example, touch hello. Okay, the file has been already created. For example, when I do ls, you can also find hello file being created already. Alright, I hope you can find more information about that. One thing you have to know about this touch command is that it is very useful when you want to test it if you have the permission to write to the current directory. Alright, let's move on to the last command, but not least, and this is the 7th command in this list of 7 essential command line tools for Linux that only few people knows about. And this, as it is the last command, it is also called, this is called nass. Alright, last command prints the users that have been recently logged in to the current system. Okay, let's try it. Last. As you can see, this last prints the information about the recent login to the system. Reboot, Daniel. Alright. One thing you have to know about this last command is that this last command accesses the information of the file located in /file/logs. Let me show you that. Let me go to /file. Right, you can see the files here, and we're going to go to this directory log cd log. Alright, a lot of files. Let's go to wtmp, and this is it. Let's try to open it using cat wtmp. Holy crap, this is a mess. But you can see that if you have an access to this file, then you can run it. I hope you can go to this last command. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, and remember to click that little bell so that YouTube can show you more updates about Linux and everything I update on this channel. Comment section down below and tell me the next topic you want me to talk about next, and everything you want. I'm here for you.